Hi everyone, welcome back to Divine Angels 11. I am Ashna and today I am doing the love reading for the week of 14 June 2021, and I'm using the Healing with the Angels Oracle cards by Doreen Virtue. So let's see what are the messages for our relationships this week. Power. So this makes so much sense with the general reading messages that we got for this week. I feel that you need to start acting powerful. I feel that you are not being yourself. So maybe you are a strong person, maybe you have a lot of strength, maybe you're independent, but people don't want to accept that and they're manipulating you to be subtle, which you are without realizing it. So if you've realized that you need to have that strength and be assertive and be powerful, so it's time, and the angels and your God is asking you to do that, because if you don't, you'll just be under obligation or you will be manipulated all along. So once you realize that you're being manipulated or you don't want to do certain things which others require you to do, it's time to assert your power. It's time to feel powerful. So before acting powerful or courageous, you need to start building that power within yourself. You need to be strong enough to take anyone's dissent in stride. So if you feel there are people with a lot of rules, regulations around you, tell them I'm not accepting this anymore. So this is a very I feel that you're really irritated. You're irritated with everything around you and it's really troubling you. You just want to snap at people, but I will suggest do not do that. Don't snap, don't get annoyed. Just be very clear about your needs and wants, and if others have a problem, tell them to find their own way, because you cannot help them. So you do what you want to do and let others sulk or get irritated or play the that I am more important card, but don't budge is what's important. And this, because this is a love reading, this could really be in your relationship, so be careful, because you don't want to go in a certain way that it might just make your partner completely, your partner might want to just pull away. Don't do that, but make sure that you are also being heard. So it's important. Focus. So a lot of you will this week focus on your work and you might not have a lot of time for your partner, which may annoy your partner. So you can probably tell them to understand your situation just for a week and let you focus on your work and your profession, because it's important. I feel that you need to focus. Maybe something really big is coming in. So maybe after this week you realize something very important will come up at your workplace or your business, and you would really need to dedicate your time towards that. So again, this might create a situation where others want a lot from you, especially your partner, and you tell them that I need my time, I need some time to focus on my work, because that's really important. So please do that. Let's see the final card. Release and surrender. Okay, so this talks about release drama. So if people around you are creating a lot of dramatic situations and they are trying to manipulate you and you realize that there's so much drama, just let it go. Surrender. Don't get involved until unless they involve you. Assert yourself, be confident, tell them I'm not interested and move away. So that is what you're supposed to do this week. Otherwise, your emotions will be like this the entire week. You do not want that. If you see this card closely, it's a water element, so this really talks about emotions, and you can't have a lot of emotions running through you. So be very assertive, take your time out, don't get involved in drama, because there will be drama this week no matter what, and you won't be able to explain it to people. So it's important to just say your side and walk away, because the other person, especially people around you, if it's your partner, if it's someone else, they will act very smart. They'll act as if they're the most coy and the best people around you, and you won't even know what you're dealing with. So be assertive. Doesn't matter if you look bad or they think that you don't have you don't have any authority to say that, but make sure you're authoritative this week. It's super important. So I hope this made sense. If you want a personal love reading, send me a DM and I'll schedule an appointment as soon as possible for you. I'll see you very soon. Love and light to you all. Bye.